Okay guys, if you can remember on last tutorial we talked about this office. I mean the seventh tutorial I made, we talked about office, but today we are moving to the product section. So firstly, let's get started by creating new product here, as you can see, and you can also load it from a file. The file must be either a XML file or CSV file. So guys, let me briefly explain about these two files, how you can use it to create this office section. So firstly, you have to click on this instruction, the XML file instruction. So let's see how the instruction looks. And as you can see, this is the example of this XML file. All you just have to do is to copy all this code here, like all this code, just copy it, paste it in your notes. So let me briefly explain it. So now let me just copy all these things and I'll go to my notepad on my Android phone, then paste it there. And if you are using a laptop as well, you can go to your Word or Microsoft Word, then save the file with .xml. That's what you use to save the file, dot and xml. You have to put the file name like a product.xml. So guys, now let's go to our notepad on our Android phone. As you can see, this is the code. The reference, you can just put a random reference at the first reference, and the title of the product you are selling, the content of the product, I mean the description, the category, what is the category of the product, you can just put it here, the subcategory as well, the price of the product, the price and description, something like maybe the shipping fee or stuff or fat. So, and the year the product was made, the month as well, the day of the product made. So you can just put all these things there. The detail URL of the product, if you have one, you can paste it here. So the buying URL, so where the user will buy the product, so you can leave this blank and you can put it there. So the picture of the product, you can just choose the picture of the product from a web. So I'm going to be using Amazon products, so I'm going to be selling products from Amazon. So firstly, I just to go to our Amazon website. So you have to look for a product we used to sell in our application. Once a user buy the product, the money will be sent to your paper. I will show you how you set that as well. Once the money is sent to your paper, you can add your own. Maybe the Amazon price is like $32, let's assume. So you can just put it like 37, or the possible amount you wish. So you can, once the user make payments for the product, you just go to Amazon directly and buy the product, then you send the product to the user and you made your gain. That's it. So that's what is useful for. Okay, so let's go to our Amazon products. Okay, this is the Amazon product. You just have to create account with them. So now let's look for the product you are selling. Let me just choose one product from here. Okay, I think I'll choose this. So let's look what is in this product. So this is the product I'm actually putting in my application. So all you just have to do, firstly, you have to copy the image URL by just click and hold for a while to, and it will pop up this. Then just copy the URL of this image. Once you click on the share image, it will show something like this. Let's just look. As you can see, so you just have to click on the link over here. It's not copy image, the link, something like this. As you can see, the link has been copied. So let me just confirm. So let me paste the link in our web. Let's see if it shows the image uh, I'm looking for actually. So let's see if this link is truly correct. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the image of the product. So now let's go back and fill in all the information of the product. Firstly, you have to copy the product URL. So by clicking on this share thing up on this icon, so copy the URL of the product. Once we copy this URL, we have to paste it in our code. So that's it. Okay, as you can see, the link is being copied. So and the content is like the product details. So copy the product details from Amazon, then paste it here. That's it. The product price, the price of the product plus your own gain. Just have to add everything to it. The product category as well, and the product description is like the shipping fee. And if you don't want, maybe the user will have to come and collect it itself. So we can remove this, and on the info, once we get there, I will explain more about this product details on this tutorial. Okay, so all this one as the year of the products, just fill in all this, follow the instruction in the AppCreator24 when you are copying the link. So this is the link of the products that I copy here. So copy everything and save. So now click on share. On this share icon over here, click on share as text. So we have to share this to our Google Drive. So we have to download it from the Google Drive So firstly, we have to share it to our Google Drive. So this is the drive. So we have to change the file name to something. Let me just use pro dot. So okay, and the dot text we have to remove it at dot xml. This is what I'm talking about earlier, xml. So you just have to save the file. Once the file is being uploaded to our Google Drive, we have to download it back, then upload it to our AppCreator24. Okay, this is my Google Drive, so I have to download the product I saved to the drive. So this is the product at the last. So I have to click on it. So click on these three dots here. Just scroll down and click on the download button, and once it's done downloading, just go to your AppCreator24 website or application, then upload it to it. Then you are done. You can download this AppCreator24 by checking the link in the description, and you also can visit their website there as well. Okay guys, let's go back to the AppCreator24 and let's upload this thing there, and let's see how it works, guys. This is the AppCreator24 application now. So let's upload the file uh, that we save from our Google Drive. So this is the file. So just click on upload, and as you can see it says product loaded one. That means that the product in this file we upload is just one. You can add as many products. All you just have to do is to repeat the process in the like the way I did it. Just paste the thing again under the same file. In same file, you just paste it and paste it again, then change the content. So once you upload it, maybe you input like five product there. So once you upload it, five products will be automatically inputted to your application. That's why it's easy and I like it. So you can use it and you can use the manual one. So now guys, let's use the manual one as well, and let's see how it works. As you can see, this is the product I inputted the other time. If I input more than one product, all will be listed here. So this is very easy to use. So now let's make this thing. Let me just edit it. You can edit anything in this product we inputted as well. As you can see, this is all the word I inputted in the file I uploaded, and it's automatically placed. You can also edit it by clicking on the pencil icon as I did, then edit anything you wish to change it from this section. Okay, this is also similar from creating from manually as well. It also show like this when you are creating from manual step as well, but I would advise you to be using these steps. It's very easy. You can just create as many as product you want inside a single file. Just after you copy the code from the xml file instruction, so copy it, and under it again, after you finish entering the first one, repeat it under the same file. Don't use another file. You can use as many as product as you want in a single file. Okay, now let's see the manual type. As you can see, it's still the same thing. You can give it the title, the details. You can upload the details from a web or type it automatically. The category is also the same thing. Price, the price description, the age date, like the day the product was made. All the things are different or are similar rather. As you can see the image as well, you can put it from web and from your computer. So guys, now let's see the changes we made. And before that, let me explain to you this category. As you can see, we only have two category, and you can create more category. Let me just put like another category. Let me say it's bag. Okay, so this category is now in our app. Now the option as well, this is like the searching type. So the first one is the currency of your application. If you click on other, you can edit the currency you want your app should be showing, and you can put it in the default icon like dollar, euro, the one that you want. All this one like the searching feed, so the way they search for things in your app product. So and before this all these things can be working, you have to activate the product searching icon in the top bar icon. I will explain that as well. So all this one are just normal thing you can see yourself. And the buy button, instead of it to be showing buy as it's in front of it, you can change the word that it shows. And from the header that says the product search, you can put it as shop, shopping, anything you want, then click on save. And the pay by paper, so you can put your email address, your currency. So that's it. So the email address will be the your paper account. So that's it guys. So let's go to our app now. So let me go to the app. Okay guys, our app is loading. So as you can see the app, this is the goods section. So let me click on it. As you can see, this is our application now. As you can see, this is our goals. If you just click on this search icon without tapping anything, it will list all the product in your application, and we only have one product, as you can see. So let me see. As you can see, this is all what I inputted in the application. As you can see, this is the title, the description, the price, and the info. If a user click on the info, that means they will chat with you that when the product will be sent to them, or the location, so they can chat with you in that section. That's what info is useful for. And for the buy, if a user click on buy, that he or she want to buy after chatting with you, so it will take them directly to paper to pay. As you can see up there, they wrote 32. That means that $2 will be deducted from their account. So the person will just have to enter his or her Gmail to sign in. To sign in the paper. So once that is done, you receive the payment. So you deliver the product to the person easily. So this is it. As you can see, guys. So this is what product it works. So guys, let me briefly explain to you how you can activate the top bar icon search, so that people can search for a specified product he or she is looking for. So you have to activate this before user can search for a product. So let me show you. Let me firstly show you how this works in this application, because I've already activated it, but I need to show you how you can activate it so that you can also do it on your own. So let me just search for a product that does not exist in our app. So let me search for a product. We only have one product. Let me search for bag. So let's see. Can you see result not found? That means this product is not in our application. So the user can select the type of product, the price of the product he or she wants. So can you see the date of the product production? So you can search for anything here. So let's go back to our AppCreator24 application website, because I'm going back to my laptop now to show you how you can activate this for user to be searching for this section, guys. So I forgot to tell you something. Before you can use this product in your application, you have to create a product section as well. I forgot to say this. So now let's go to the section and create a new product section. So this is a create section. So as you can see, this is the product over here. So you have to create a new section of this product. So you can give this section a random title. Let me just use goods. So and this advanced setting, okay, all this one I've talked about this, so I don't need to explain this anymore. So you can choose the image, the icon image from the browser or gallery. So let me just use one, then click on saved. So now the product will be showing in your application now. So let me talk about what I want to talk about, how to activate the top bar icon to make this product searchable in your application. So guys, let's click on the top bar icon on the design. So let's go to the top bar icon and activate the product searching icon. So as you can see here, it's already been activated, but for you it may not be activated already. So it may be in these disable icons as you can see on the screen now. So but you have to click on this, like this moving icon up here, to make it enable. So as you can see, so and you can edit it. So let me try to edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. The action is by default, so you can leave it if you want to be using this for the product section, just leave it by default. So but you can change it for any other stuff you are creating, so I don't care about that. So once it is in by default, just click on save. And okay, click on back. Remember, you must save this as well. Make sure you save. Okay, now it's been saved. So we are all done about this. We are done with this product section as well. So on our next tutorial, I'll be explaining the rest, the send notification, the ads, the static, and the download app. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be talking about how you can use admob as well and make money on this app we just created. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.